Turn your interior from this to this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Unfortunately today, California is not cooperating with us. The weather is not cooperating, if I should say correctly. It is raining outside, so we cannot detail outside. But the good thing is, this car has been ceramic coating using the whole entire Hydroline, the headlights, the glass, the paint, and much more have hydrophobic properties. And you guys can see the crazy amount of beads it has on top. So this, by using the Hydroline, it's going to minimize water spots or contamination from staying on the surface of the vehicle. And by having hydrophobic properties, it's going to make drying easier as well as washing. But in today's video, we're going to be dealing with the interior. So one thing that ends up happening is you put your fur friend inside here and then their fur gets everywhere, and over time the static causes the pet hair to get stuck onto your fabrics and carpets. So a lot of people always say you can just vacuum it out, and the answer is unfortunately the loose ones you can, but the ones that get stuck into your carpet like so, unfortunately they cannot. So today I thought it would be a great idea to show you how to simplify removing pet hair from fabrics. You could use this around your office, your house, your garage, anywhere your fur friend hangs out, you could use the pet hair remover brush. I'm just going to lightly vacuum out everything that can come off with just a simple vacuum. And then after that, I'll be showing you guys how easy it is. As you guys can see, it did pick up some light pet hair, but unfortunately there's some that are completely stuck on here. So this is when I'll be getting out the pet hair remover brush. This brush is rubber bristles that's going to untangle all the fur from the fabric, and it's going to help me release it. So on the back, it has this little strip. So every time I massage it, this rubber piece is still uplifting all the hair from the fabric. One cool thing also about this brush is it is completely flexible. You have a hard to reach area, just simply bend it, adjust it, and use it. This pet hair remover brush, like I said, it is rubber. And all you need to do is just lightly remove it or massage it from the fabric. And like this, it uplifts all the hair. And then once you're already done making a little small pile, that is when I get my vacuum again and I start vacuuming it up. Or a different way you could also do it is as you go, you could be vacuuming at the same time. So I'll be showing you guys two different ways how to do it. One, by making a pile, and two, by vacuuming. On this carpet, or this floor mat, I'll be making a pile, and then back here, there's still hair on the carpet. This is when I'll be pairing it with the vacuum. So anyways, guys, let me just remove this hair and make a pile for you. Alright guys, so you guys can see how easily it was to remove the pet hair from that floor mat using our rubber pet hair brush. So now there's going to be different areas around your entire car that is going to be a little bit more difficult to remove. But by using this pet hair remover brush and a vacuum, it's going to simplify your arsenal and clean much more. So right here on this Hyundai, there's this weird fabric to it. It's almost like carpet, but not carpet. It's actually this very weird fabric. So right here it holds way more static. Like I could pull it off and you guys can see this fur that comes off onto my hand. So right now I'll be brushing it and vacuuming at the same time. So like this, I can uplift and control all the hair that's flying everywhere by sucking it up with my vacuum. So guys, let me finish removing all this pet hair around here, and then I'll show you guys my finished results after. As you guys can see, we took care of all the hair, but now it is time to take care of the vinyl seats. And you guys might say, Henry, why do you want to take care of the vinyl seats? And that is because we have dog slobber sitting on the vinyl seat. So today I'll be removing it using our brand new InnerClean Peppermint Scent. So this peppermint scent, InnerClean, is going to clean and restore the look of your vinyl seats. You could also use it on your LCD screens. You could use it on imitation leather and vinyl and plastic pieces. So all you need to do is spray it onto a microfiber towel. I love the scent. And then you'll go to the area and you just wipe it right off. And by wiping it off, you are removing the dog drool, because over time, a dog drool can actually stain your vinyl seats. But by using InnerClean, it went ahead and took care of it and restored the look of it. There's no longer dog drool on here, and now there's actually a nice peppermint scent sitting inside this vehicle. So guys, if you want to remove your guys' dog hair today, make sure to hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com. It is called the Rubber Pet Hair Remover Brush. This pet hair remover brush can also be found at your local detail garage. Same thing as InnerClean Peppermint Scent. As always, guys, I'm Henry. Thank you for being part of the ChemicalGuys family, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with ChemicalGuys. And finally, do you have a fur friend? Drop his name down below. I want to know your guys' fur friend's name. We'll see you guys next time.